up everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Madonna and I am a makeup artist from New Jersey and I love to do reviews and makeup tutorials here on YouTube. For today's video, I decided to kind of just be a little bit creative and do a spotlight look. If you want to see how I got to this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, I know I look a little odd. I kind of color corrected my under eyes and I'm going to use this dewy foundation. No one really talks about this foundation. It's so good. This is by Maybelline and this is the dewy version that everyone loves from the Fit Me Poreless foundation. This is in buff beige and just look how dewy it looks and the coverage that it gives me. I absolutely love this foundation. It's so good. Then I'm using Medium Biscay from LA Girl Conceal, and I'm just gonna use this to conceal my under eyes. And you can see that it's still a little dark. Then I'm gonna use this stippling brush to kind of just blend it in. Using a stippling brush actually kind of took a little long to do this, but it's okay because I enjoy the process and I was just trying to see if the brush would work for this step. And it did. It just took a little longer than usual. Then I'm using the NYX what is it, the HD Conceal, and this is in beige, I believe. It's a bit lighter, so I'm using this to kind of highlight my face. As you can see, I'm placing it a little bit lower than my under eye because when I blend it out, it's just gonna go up there anyways. I'm just gonna doing it in like a triangular form, putting it on my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And I also put this like in my mustache area. I don't know, I just like it brighter in that area. For my brows, I'm using my usual Dip Brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the color dark brown. This is like my third one. I gotta get another one. I'm just gonna do this very quick and just line my brows and then fill them in. And then I'm using my favorite Morphe brush and just blend in my concealer since I let it sit on my face a little bit. It kind of gives more of a full coverage conceal and it also like blends out so much better when you leave it on your face for like a little bit and then blend it out. I absolutely love this routine right here. Then I'm using Airspun in neutral and this is going to set my face. Now this is a very full coverage matte look, so I'm using like a really big round brush and just kind of pouncing it on my face. And don't forget your under eyes. Then for contour, oh my god, I need to get another one but I've been so lazy. I'm just gonna go in with this shade and just contour the sides of my face. And I will have a highlight and contour routine up so I kind of explain to you how to contour. Don't forget that chin, girl. Looking contoured. To cut my contour, I'm using the light, medium, and loose finishing powder in Fit Me Maybelline. What am I saying? This is what I'm using to cut my contour. I kind of felt like this would do very well for this kind of dramatic look that I'm going for today. And I'm just going to let it sit on my face as I get to the eyes. And for the eyes, I am using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I love this palette so much. I'm going to go in with the hot pink color. And this is just going to go all over the lid. And don't you worry, if it looks crazy right now, it's okay because you're going to blend the edges with a fluffy brush. So you just blend the edges with a clean brush and it won't look like a harsh line. And then connect your drop shadow up to the top. I'm using the same shade. And then for the spotlight, you're going to use a concealer. And basically what you do is just kind of make it wider at the top of the cut crease. And then narrow it down. But if you mess up like I did here, it's okay, don't you worry. You're going to use eyeshadow to basically shape out the spotlight. So I'm going to use this gold color first because that is the main color that we're going to use on the spotlight. So just pack it onto the concealer and just put it all over the concealer. Don't worry about messing up so much because you're going to fix it with the pink shadow on the sides with a detailed brush. As you can see, you could just blend it right in and you could just make the shape where the spotlight narrows down. So it looks all cute and small. That way it looked like an actual spotlight. And then just pack on the gold shadow. As you can see, I'm doing this right here. You know, if you over blend, you could always go back and just add more shadow. And just a little bit more blending, make sure everything looks seamless, and there you go. And for lashes, I'm using Yalador de Lashes in the style Bad Girl. These are a new company, so I'm trying them out, and so far I like them. They're very big fluffy lashes. For blush, I'm going to be using this Lychee and Gold blush by Seraphine. This is such a great smelling blush, and it looks so cute on the cheeks. I'm going to use Fenty Beauty in Trophy Wife, and I'm just going to add this into my inner corners to kind of give my eye look a pop that it needed, and it kind of just tied in the look together, so I thought this was pretty fitting. Then I'm going to mix these two shades together to contour my nose, and I'm using an angled fluffy brush. I find that using a brush is actually very natural looking and just blends so well. Then for my highlight, I'm using Maybelline's Master Chrome in Golden. I'm just going to add this to the highest points of my face, like my cheekbones, my forehead, the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and these lights just don't give this highlight any justice. It's so good. For lipstick, I'm using Maybelline Superstay Ink in Poet. This lipstick is actually super long wearing and it does not budge. However, it's a little bit of a sticky formula, but I deal with it. It's nice. Then I'm going to set my face with this rose water and glycerin spray, and it is ready to go. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something new, and yeah, this is about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.